This is Peter eating the world's hottest chilli.
Yeah, boy.
This is a joke, isn't it? Tell you what, that's fucking hot.
Are you ready now? What's that then?
See, it's not hot.
That is hot, mate. Fucking crap.
No. Look at that.
Jesus Christ. It's horrible. Oh. My lips. Oh. That's unreal.
Next. Eat the next bit, that's well.
Fuck off. Oh. I'll tell you what, that's fucking hot, mate. I haven't swallowed it yet.
Hmm?
I haven't swallowed it yet.
Now just chew it up. Because if you I wouldn't put it holding your stomach.
No.
Well, I probably wouldn't.
I'll spit it out.
No.
You gotta eat it, you gotta eat it. We ate it, we swallowed it, we ate it. No, we fucking did, definitely. Yeah, seriously, we did.
Yeah.
We did chew it out and eat
Really?
it. Definitely, seriously, fella.
Oh, fucking
That is fucking hot as fuck, isn't it?
so
You have to get some water in your son. Just keep it in your mouth, just to keep it cool.
fuck me, man, that's unreal. Shit. It hurts. It fucking hurts. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It is quite seriously hot, isn't it?
Fucking.
It really gets your breath, doesn't it? Comes to tears.
I can't.
I'm fucked.
Do you know pepper spray that the police use? The Pete.
My tongue is fucking hurting.
You know pepper spray that the police use? That's only 700,000. Oh shit.
I didn't mind much better than this.
No, you don't ask me.
My mouth's on fire.
So much pain.
Are you good with hot food normally? Now you tell us.
Fajita. Well, that's warm, it's even worse.
Keep running it, keep running it as well. Oh, Jesus. Oh.